Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley again for FX Explained, the market chartist, and we're looking at the DAX future in here, the German benchmark index, the DAX future, the future on the German benchmark. So a more positive tone in here so far this week. We had a really strong start to the week and then the market dipped but then punched higher in here over the past 36 hours, not only above these recent peaks in here from July 12.865, but also above the June peak in here at 12.934, reinforcing this early July breakout of this kind of triangle pattern in here above this counter trend line here, and also trying to defend this long-term uptrend line that comes from the March lows after the big COVID-19 sell-off that we saw through March. So this trend line in here, you see the market's been flirting with this all the way through from latter June all the way through July in here, and kind of rebounding back off of that trend line in here. And as I say, up to 12.989 yesterday, above 12.934. The main driving force of this has been two reports in here from both Moderna and from Oxford University, signaling strong results in here, or decent results, strong results for a potential COVID-19 vaccine. Excuse me. That's making markets very much pushing into this risk-on theme, and also a global belief in the economic recovery being driven partially by institutional but also retail investors in here, stock indices rallying across the board globally, and then also we've seen a positivity coming through with a potential better outlook for European stocks in here. Many investment banks and research boutiques pointing to European stocks potentially outperforming, given particularly the fact that the COVID-19 cases in here in Europe, in the UK, Europe, looking far less ominous than what we're still seeing in the US. So all of that pointing to a positive tone here for the DAX futures. As I say, we've broken out above up to 12.989. We're looking for further upside now. We're eating into these resistances now, going all the way back to March and February of last year. Upside risk here now to through 13,000 to 13,158.5. We have a bear gap up in the 13,400 to 500 area up here, and that there 13,824 is the all-time high. Potential for a new all-time high through the second half of July, maybe into August. Certainly looking for upside threats this week above 13,000 and to these lower targets in here, 13,158, maybe up towards 13,400. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day as ever, and please do be safe out there.